Hello friend, thank you so much for clicking this video. I'm Sunday, and in this video I will be showing you how to get this sole out. Here is a ballerina flat, so how to get it out, to construct it, that's what we will be doing justice to in this video. To see that, let's go and see that. If you're a first timer, please like to subscribe, click the bell button so you get the notification of subsequent upload on this platform. So let's go see how I will be drafting this sole in here out. After you mark it out, you then come and then cut it out. Come in here and pick your scissors, then cut it out. I've said it several times that I'm always comfortable with my scissors. That's why I cut most of the time with my scissors, but you can also cut with your knife. Just to demonstrate how the knife works, with my board in here, and pick your knife and come in here like this. This way, working on the line, but as I said, very comfortable with this. So I use my scissors to complete it. Times when I put it over, here is what I get. I've gotten the sole out. Then I need to add a couple of heels to it. After I mark my 5.7, I'm marking my 5.7 right now, and I come over here and pick this and trim this down to cut this down to be 6 centimeter. Cut this down to be 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. To guide it off, not to go off the line, and then drop it. Look at it. Dropping now, here is neat. That place is neat. Trim it off. Trim it off. That way. The edges is now smooth, using the softer part of the bench grinder. Using this method of putting the sole together saves time, because you don't need to go working on each foot different. Look at it. If you tend to then open it now, it's the same thing. Both sides filed, neatly done. Then you can then just come over and brush the henna. Brushing with the sharp. So that is it. We are done with the sole now. The sole, please just see we are done with the sole. Yeah, thank you so much for watching today's time. Hope you like it. As I said, it's quite easy to fix. That is just it. You were able to cut it out, and the next thing is just to go and cement it together. So for a full tutorial on how to make complete of this, I have that on my site. There's a link to that in the description of this video. Go in there, there's a link. So go there, and it's going to navigate to where you can take a full course of it. I'd like you to give me a thumbs up for this video if you like it, and I'd like you to join us in Lagos, Nigeria, if you can make it to Lagos, Nigeria, for our one-on-one tutorial. One-on-one class, we have that in our Lagos studio in Nigeria. So what I say is that anything you do, never stop learning.